What separates successful tech startups from the rest? What's the secret sauce? These are the questions that often keep aspiring entrepreneurs and business innovators up at night. As we navigate through the digital age, the tech startup scene has exploded with countless innovative ideas and solutions. But only a handful of these startups manage to rise above the rest and reach the pinnacle of success. Imagine the bustling Silicon Valley landscape. It's teeming with ambitious, bright-eyed entrepreneurs, all of whom are eager to disrupt the status quo with their innovative tech solutions. Among this sea of startups, there are a few names that stand out. These are the companies that manage to crack the code and transform their humble beginnings into global success stories. Take a moment and think about companies like Uber, Spotify, Airbnb, or Slack. Each of these tech giants started off as small startups with big dreams. They dared to challenge established industries, redefine norms, and leverage technology in ways that were previously unimagined. But what's most intriguing is not just their meteoric rise to fame and fortune, but the unique strategies and business models that fueled their growth. It's not about reinventing the wheel, but rather understanding how to turn that wheel in a way that creates maximum value and impact. It's about recognizing opportunities, capitalizing on unique strengths, and navigating challenges with agility and resilience. Yet, success in the tech startup world is far from a one-size-fits-all formula. What worked for one company may not necessarily work for another. Each success story is a unique blend of strategy, execution, timing, and a little bit of luck. It's an enigma, a puzzle waiting to be solved. So how do we decode this puzzle? How do we understand the strategies and business models that have propelled these tech giants to the top of their game? Well, that's exactly what we're here to explore. In this video, we will delve deep into the strategies, business models, and unique factors that propelled certain tech startups to success. We will unravel the enigma of success, one tech startup at a time. So, fasten your seatbelts, because we're about to embark on an exciting journey of discovery and learning. Let's start our journey by examining Uber, the giant that reshaped the transportation industry. This is a company that saw a real-world problem and used a unique business model, coupled with technology, to provide a solution. But what made Uber stand out? Firstly, Uber tapped into a universal need: reliable, affordable, and convenient transportation. They recognized a gap in the market where traditional taxi services were failing to meet customer expectations. But it was how they filled this gap that's truly remarkable. Instead of owning a fleet of cars, Uber created a platform that connects drivers with riders. This innovative model, known as the gig economy, transformed Uber into more than just a company. It became a marketplace, a facilitator, a bridge between those who have a service to offer and those who need it. But Uber didn't stop at being a simple middleman. They leveraged technology to make the ride-hailing process as seamless as possible. With a few taps on a smartphone, users can summon a ride, track its progress, and pay for the service. This convenience, powered by technology, disrupted and revolutionized the entire transportation industry. Moreover, Uber's dynamic pricing model, which adjusts prices based on supply and demand, was a game-changer. This strategy not only optimized their revenue but also ensured the availability of drivers during peak times, thus enhancing customer satisfaction. However, Uber's journey wasn't all smooth sailing. The company faced numerous challenges, including regulatory hurdles and backlash from traditional taxi services. But it persevered, adapted, and overcame these obstacles, demonstrating the resilience and tenacity that's often needed in the tech startup space. Uber's story is a testament to the power of a disruptive business model and the role of technology in enhancing customer convenience. It's a shining example of how identifying a problem, crafting a unique solution, and leveraging technology can lead to phenomenal success. Uber's success underscores the importance of innovation and customer convenience in the tech industry. As we dive deeper into the world of tech startups, keep these lessons from Uber in mind. They might just be the key to your own entrepreneurial journey. Next, we turn our attention to Airbnb, the company that revolutionized the hospitality sector. Just like a breath of fresh air, Airbnb blew into the travel industry and turned it on its head. The company's business model is as unique as it gets. Instead of building hotels and hiring staff, Airbnb created a platform where anyone with spare space could become a host and rent it out to travelers. It was the epitome of a peer-to-peer business model. a model that thrived on building connections and trust between strangers. Airbnb didn't just disrupt the traditional hospitality industry, it completely reshaped it. Before Airbnb, the concept of staying in a stranger's home was, for many, unthinkable. But Airbnb made it not only possible but desirable. They took the unfamiliar and made it familiar, the uncomfortable and made it comfortable. They turned homes into destinations. At the heart of Airbnb's success is technology. The company leveraged the power of the internet, mobile technology, and data science to connect people worldwide. Airbnb's platform is easy to use, intuitive, and secure. The company's utilization of user reviews and verification processes has fostered a community of trust, making people feel safe even when they are thousands of miles away from home. But what sets Airbnb apart is not just its innovative business model or its use of technology. It's the company's ability to understand and cater to the evolving needs of the modern traveler. Airbnb recognized that people were seeking authentic local experiences, not just a place to sleep. They wanted to live like locals, even if it was just for a few days. And Airbnb delivered just that, offering not just accommodations, but experiences. Airbnb's triumph shows us that even traditional industries can be disrupted with the right idea and execution. The company challenged the status quo, dared to be different, and in doing so, it has changed the way we travel. It's a reminder that innovation is not just about technology, it's about understanding people, their needs, and finding new ways to meet those needs. From hospitality, we move to workplace communication with Slack. In the world of technology, Slack is a shining beacon of success, a testament to the power of simplicity and effectiveness in communication. A tool that has revolutionized the way businesses communicate internally, Slack stands apart in the tech startup scene. So, what made Slack such a favorite among businesses? The answer lies in its approach to communication. Slack positioned itself as more than just a messaging app. It was designed as a hub where work happens. It's a platform that has simplified the process of team collaboration, making it easier for people to work together, exchange ideas, and keep track of their progress. At its core, Slack is all about simplicity. It's about making communication easy and effective. With its clean, user-friendly interface, Slack has made it possible for teams to stay connected and productive, without the need for complicated setups or technical know-how. It's an experience designed to be seamless, intuitive, and enjoyable. But Slack's success isn't just about simplicity, it's also about integration. Slack has understood the importance of fitting into an existing ecosystem of tools and software that businesses use daily. It integrates with a wide range of applications from Google Drive and Dropbox to Asana and Trello, making it a one-stop solution for all communication needs. The power of Slack lies in its ability to bring everything together in one place. It's a tool that connects the dots, streamlines workflows, and helps teams work better together. It's a tool that has redefined what communication looks like in the digital age. Slack's success story is not just about a great product, it's about understanding the needs of the users, creating a solution that fits seamlessly into their workflows, and delivering a product that is simple, effective, and enjoyable to use. It's a story that teaches us about the power of simplicity, the importance of integration, and the value of a user-centric approach. Slack's success story underscores the significance of simplicity and integration in a product's design. Now let's groove to the rhythm of Spotify, the titan that personalized music streaming. A symphony of strategy and innovation, Spotify has revolutionized the way we consume music. Unlike traditional music platforms, Spotify's business model is built on a unique blend of personalization algorithms and an expansive music library. Spotify has always been a master of personalization. Their algorithms tap into the power of machine learning, analyzing user behavior to curate playlists that are as unique as the listener. These algorithms consider factors like your listening history, songs you've liked, playlists you've created, and even the time of day. So whether you're kicking off your morning with some upbeat tunes or winding down with a soothing melody, Spotify has your soundtrack ready. But personalization is only half the story. Spotify's vast music library is the other half. With over 70 million tracks and counting, Spotify offers an ocean of music choices. This vast library caters to every taste, every mood, and every moment. Whether you're a fan of pop, jazz, classical, rock, or any genre under the sun, Spotify has you covered. And it's not just about the music. Spotify has leveraged its personalization capabilities to branch out into podcasts. offering a wide range of topics that cater to an equally wide range of interests. Just as with music, the podcast recommendations are finely tuned to each listener's preferences. Spotify's business model is a testament to the power of personalization and choice. It's a model that's made Spotify one of the biggest players in the music streaming industry, with over 345 million active users who can attest to the platform's success. Spotify's triumph is a symphony in the key of innovation, showing us that the right blend of technology and user experience can create a service that truly resonates with its audience. It's a melody that many tech startups can learn from, highlighting the importance of understanding and catering to user needs and preferences. Spotify's triumph demonstrates the power of personalization and a vast library in the digital age. Scene script. Having looked at these diverse success stories, what common threads can we identify? Quite a few, as it turns out. Firstly, innovation is a recurring theme. Uber, Airbnb, Slack, Spotify, each of these tech giants have brought something new to the table. Uber's innovative business model turned the traditional taxi industry on its head. Airbnb's creative approach to lodging revolutionized the way we travel. Slack's unique take on communication transformed the way teams collaborate. And Spotify's novel idea of personalizing music changed how we listen to our favorite tunes. Another commonality is disruption. Each of these companies has disrupted their respective industries. They've challenged the status quo and blazed their own trails, proving that sometimes the road less traveled really does make all the difference. Simplicity, too, is a shared trait among these success stories. Whether it's Uber's one-tap ride request, Airbnb's easy-to-navigate platform, Slack's user-friendly interface, or Spotify's intuitive music recommendation system, each of these companies has made it incredibly simple for users to access their services. Integration is another key factor. These tech giants have seamlessly integrated their services into our everyday lives. We hail an Uber from our smartphones, find a place to stay on Airbnb while on the go, use Slack to communicate with our teams wherever we are, and listen to personalized playlists on Spotify whether we're working, exercising, or just chilling out. Lastly, personalization is a crucial element. Spotify stands out in this regard with its personalized playlists, but the other companies too have tailored their services to meet individual needs. Uber offers different ride options, Airbnb provides a variety of accommodation choices, and Slack allows users to customize their communication channels. These tech giants teach us that innovation, disruption, simplicity, and personalization are key to standing out in the tech industry. So whether you're an aspiring tech entrepreneur or a business owner looking to innovate in your field, these are the lessons to learn from these success stories. Embrace innovation, dare to disrupt, strive for simplicity, integrate seamlessly, and personalize relentlessly. Scene script. Armed with these insights, how can you apply them to your own business? Well, it starts with a deep understanding of your customers' needs. This isn't about what you think they need, but about what they actually need, what they're crying out for. The most successful tech startups have this at their core. They've identified a problem, a gap, a need, and they've filled it. So ask yourself, what do your customers need, and how can you provide a solution that no one else is? Next, leverage technology. This might seem obvious for a tech startup, but it's worth reiterating. Today's technology offers unprecedented opportunities to innovate and disrupt. It's not just about having a fancy website or an app. It's about using technology to create value, to do something new, something better. So, consider, how can you use technology to give you an edge? How can it help you deliver your solution in a more efficient, effective, or unique way? And finally, be ready to disrupt established norms. This is where the real magic happens. The Ubers, the Airbnbs, the Slacks of the world, they didn't just do things a little differently. They turned industries upside down. They challenged the status quo and changed the way we do things. So, dare to think differently. Dare to challenge the way things have always been done. Dare to disrupt. It's not easy, of course. There will be obstacles, there will be doubters, there will be failures. But remember, every successful startup was once just an idea. It was the execution of that idea that made all the difference, and that's where you come in. So, go out there. Understand your customers, leverage technology, disrupt the norm, be bold, be brave, be innovative. Success may not be guaranteed, but with these strategies, you are well equipped to make a significant impact in the tech world.